Application for job. Application for job, as we all know that job applications demand a formal and precise treatment. Their format is almost the same as that of the forwarding cover letter and is usually accompanied by a curriculum vitae, resume, biodata. So, what are the important points which we must keep remember while writing a job letter? So, as we all know, job letter has two parts. One is covering letter and second is biodata. Here, I would like to recommend you include one more thing. We must give the declaration at the end of the job letter. Declaration should be given at the end of the job letter. So, points to remember. First, covering letter. How to write the content of covering letter. So, in para 1, refer to the source of information about the job or the advertisement in the newspaper. From where you came to know about the advertisement, you must mention in the first paragraph. In the first paragraph of covering letter, at the job letter is divided in two parts, covering letter and resume. So if while writing the content of the first part in the first paragraph of covering letter, you must mention from where you got the information about the job. So refer to the source of information about the job or the advertisement in the newspaper. These are some examples, some suggestions with which you can start your paragraph 1 with reference to the advertisement published in the name of the newspaper in the Hindu, the Dainik Jagran, the Times of India. With reference to the advertisement published in the Times of India, dated, you need to mention the date. I would like to apply for the post of the name of the post in your institution, in your firm, in your organization. So in first paragraph, you can start your first paragraph with these lines with reference to the advertisement published in the Hindustan Times dated 10th May 2021. I would like to apply for the post of receptionist, whatever the name of the post in your organization, in your institution, in your firm, whatever it is. Then para 2, you must mention the reason for applying, under which you can write, share your share your experience, share your interest, your competency level, keywords that can be used like I am young, dynamic, having good communication skills, committed to hard work, qualifications, relevant qualifications, etc. You can mention in second paragraph. Then in third paragraph, stating the suitability, concluding statement like my biodata is enclosed herewith for your pursual, sympathetic consideration, and all. This way you can complete it. Okay, you can conclude your job application. Okay, like my biodata is enclosed herewith for your personal, sympathetic declaration, pursual, okay, etc. Then, dear students, it comes to the next part, that is biodata or resume. So first part is covering letter, as we have seen, and covering letter follows the format of formal letter. So after finishing covering letter, you need to go through, you need to write down the biodata. Biodata, curriculum vitae, resume is an integral part of the job application. You cannot skip it. If you are writing a job application, so biodata, curriculum vitae, resume Whether biodata or curriculum vitae or resume, they are the integral part. Okay, so not they are same, so that is why it is the integral part of the job application. It should include your full name, the candidate who is applying, his full name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, address, contact number, email ID, educational qualifications, professional qualifications, work experience, extracurricular activities, hobbies, language known, salary expected, references, and then declaration. Declaration is also the part of your biodata. Then place, date, signature and name. Word limit 100 to 150 words, and earlier it was of 8 marks, but from last year CBSE has reduced the marks for it as some changes were done from last year, so that is why it will be asked for 5 marks. In which format? For 1 mark, content 2 marks and expression 2 marks. Then examples. You are Sudhi. Let us go through some solved examples to understand it in a better way. You are Sudhir Sharma, living at 32 Dilshad Garden, Lucknow. You read an advertisement for the post of a receptionist in the Radisson Hotel, Amritsar. Write a letter in 120 to 150 words to the managing director applying for the same. Attach a biodata also. So you are Sudhir Sharma, living at 32 Dilshad Garden, Lucknow. You read an advertisement for the post of a receptionist in the Radisson Hotel, Amritsar. You have to write a letter in reply to that advertisement. You want to apply for, you consider yourself suitable for the post and you want to apply for the same. So that is why let us write down a job letter. So first of all, as we all know, the job application is divided in 2 parts. So first of all, you should write the first part, that is covering letter, in which the address of the person, sender's address is written, then date, and then receiver's address. After writing sender's address, you should leave a blank line as we have discussed in the beginning. Then date. After date, once again you should leave a blank line. Then receiver's address. Once again leave a blank line. Then whether you can interchange the subject and salutation. Here I forgot to make you write the subject which is written after. Whether you can write subject before salutation or subject after salutation, both are correct, don't get confused. Either you can write the way it has been shown in this PPT, after salutation, or the subject can be written before salutation. Okay, so subject, application for the post of receptionist. With reference to the advertisement published in the Times of India, dated 28th August, whatever the date according to the day you are writing it, 2021, for the post of a receptionist in your esteemed hotel. I would like to offer my candidature for the same. So in the first paragraph, you have mentioned from where you got to know about the post for which you are applying. I am a dynamic young lady of pleasant manners and good communication skills. I have a reasonable command over Hindi, English, and Punjabi. Moreover, I have done a diploma course in French from IGNOU. So, in the second paragraph, you mentioned about your personality, what type of educational qualification you are having, which is suitable for that post. Now, concluding paragraph. I am sure I shall prove to be an asset for your prestigious hotel and work to your entire satisfaction. My biodata is enclosed herewith for your perusal and favorable consideration. So thank you. Yours faithfully, Sudha Sharma. So this way, dear students, we write a job letter. First, we should write the cover letter. Then we should write the resume. Now let us go through the resume. This way, enclosures. So what you have enclosed with your covering letter, you must mention. As it has been shown here, enclosures, biodata, copies of the certificate, 2 recent photographs. So these are the things, these are the documents which you are attaching with your cover letter. Okay. So biodata, how to write biodata? So first of all, you should write your name, Sudha Sharma, father's name, Mr. Naresh Sharma, mother's name, Mrs. Pramila Sharma, then date of birth, then address, contact detail, email ID, educational qualifications, dear students, it must be mentioned in the table as it has been shown in this PPT. In the same way, you should mention your educational qualification. Okay, you should make a table having these titles: examination, board, university, year, and percentage. Then starting from your 10th, you need to mention all these details. Then work experience, if you have worked anywhere. Presently working at Oberoi Hotel, Lucknow since 2017. Extracurricular activities, so secretary, 3 Arts Club, Government College of Arts, Lucknow in 2013. Hobbies, reading and trekking. Then languages known: Hindi, English, Punjabi, and French. Salary expected, if you are already getting some amount, then you will mention that you want more than that. Like if you are earning, your salary, present salary is 35,000, so you can write 45,000 or 40,000. If not, then negotiable. References, you can give the name of 2 persons as references. Dr. Ashutosh Sharma, General Manager, Oberoi Hotel, Lucknow. They can be from your from the place where you have worked or where you have studied. Second one, Surekha Roy, HOD, Political Science, Government College of Arts, Lucknow. Then declaration, I hereby declare that the above mentioned information is true to the best of my knowledge. Place, Lucknow. Date 1st September, whatever the date. Name, Sudha Sharma. Okay. So it's all about dear students, it's all about job application. So this way, first of all, divide your job application in 2 parts: cover letter and biodata. So first finish covering letter and then biodata. Okay, so let us go through some more solved examples to understand it better. Next solved example: write an application in 120 to 150 words for the post of librarian advertised in a national daily by Vidya Balan Public School, Rajkot. You are Tarun Taruna Sisodia, living at 21 Block D, Gandhi Colony, Ahmedabad. Attach a resume also. So in the same way, dear students, we are going to write it. First of all, you should write the covering letter and then biodata. So as we have discussed, covering letter should be written in the format of formal language. So first you will be writing the date, not date. First you will be writing sender's address, then date, then receiver's address. So 21 Block B, Gandhi Colony, Ahmedabad. This is the sender's address. Then blank line and date. Then receiver's address, the principal, Vidyadan Public School, Rajkot. Salutations, sir. Then subject. As earlier I told you that there is a choice. Subject and salutation can be interchanged. Whether you can write the subject first and salutation later, or subject first and salutation later, or salutation first and subject later. Okay, so this way you can interchange them, they are interchangeable. Then in the same way, from where you came to know about the vacancy, you must mention in response to the advertisement published in the Hindustan Times dated 25th August, whatever the year 2021, I would like to apply for the post of a librarian in your esteemed institution. I am a person with a pleasant personality and committed to hard work. I have the requisite qualifications and experience with specialization handling books. Specialization in handling books. I am sure that I shall prove to be an asset for your prestigious institution and work to your entire satisfaction. My resume is enclosed herewith for your perusal and sympathetic consideration. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Tarun Sisodia. So thus, dear students, you can see that in job application, most of the content remains same. You need to change the name of the post, and according to the post you need to change the qualification. Rest remain the same. Now second part of the letter, that is resume. Enclosure resume, copies of the certificates, resume, name Tarun Sisodia, father's name Mr. Harish Sisodia, mother's name Mrs. Vinita Sisodia, date of birth 13th January 1993, address 21 Block Gandhi Colony, Ahmedabad, or according to the question. Contact detail, then email ID and educational qualification. In the last example also I told you that you should mention it in a table as it has been given in this slide. Examination, then board, university, year, percentage. Examination name AISSE, board, university, CBSE, year 2009, percentage 75. Next, AISSCE, CBSE 2011, 80%. according to the post. Next qualifications should be given. BLIS Delhi University 2014 85%, MLIS Delhi University 2016 83%. Competency: knowledge of web page creation, first one. Second one, basic Unix. Third one, computer file management. Work experience: presently working as librarian at Modern Public School, Ahmedabad since 2017. So thus, dear students, only you need to do a little change in the qualification according to the post, and a little change in the, while mentioning the name of the post in covering letter. Rest remain the same. So that is why it's very easy to write a job application. Then extracurricular activities: secretary, literary club, Government College of Arts, Delhi in 22. Hobbies: reading and gardening. Languages known: Hindi, English and Gujarati. Salary expected negotiable. References: Mrs. Seema Vyas, Principal, Modern Public School, Ahmedabad, as you have worked there earlier, that is why. Second one, Dr. Prashant Mishra, HOD, Library Science, Government College of Arts, Delhi. So this way, dear students, you need to mention the details. Everything you should write in the same way. Again and again I am repeating, so that you can keep it. Remember, only according to the question the post will be changed, and according to the post qualification will be changed. Rest remain the same. Then declaration: I hereby declare that the above mentioned informations is true to the best of my knowledge. Then place Ahmedabad, then date, signature. So this way, dear students, we are supposed to write a job application. So it's very easy to write a job application. So thank you for watching this video. So dear students, whatever is being discussed, each and everything must be recorded in your fair notebook. Again and again I keep you reminding in my all the videos. So please watch the videos and keep completing your work. The points which have been mentioned in the PPTs, in the same way they must be mentioned in your notebook. So I hope you people must be completing your homework, or must have completed the lessons which have been discussed as of now. You must be staying home and staying safe. So once again, thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow.